They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Well, for me, coffee is the most important meal of the day. But coming in a close second would be a yummy, tasty, savory breakfast muffin. Thanks for joining me today on Susan's Cozy Kitchen. Today I'm making grab-and-go sausage cheese muffins. Let's start with the base to our muffins. The first ingredient, half cup of Bisquick, all right, with a half cup of milk, and then 2 eggs that I'm going to just add a little bit of freshly ground black pepper, just a little bit of that, and I always like to add a little bit of salt to my eggs, so some salt. Then I'm going to whisk that together. Okay, so there are the eggs, add those, and now just whisk all of this together until it's combined. I have a half cup of sausage crumbles, okay, 4 ounces of shredded cheese, and I did shred this myself. I prefer that to the pre-shredded. And then to that, I'm going to add a can of diced green chilies. I just buy my store brand. You can buy whatever brand you like. Dump those in. Mix everything together. Time to preheat the oven. Let's turn it on air fry 375 and 7 minutes. So while that's preheating, I've already used some butter and prepared my pan. Now I have a simple little gravy ladle that I'm going to ladle the muffin mixture into the pan. Here are all 12 muffins, and the oven is up to temperature, so in they go. The timer just beeped. Let's check the muffins. Okay, they look good. We've learned that looking good doesn't always equal done. Let me grab my tester and we'll double check. Okay, I'm of the once bitten, twice shy school of cooking today. After the bread that wasn't quite done, even after I put the tester in there, I've been quadruple checking everything since then. I don't trust them. I'm putting them back in the oven just to make sure. So let's let these cook for a couple of more minutes, and then I will check them again. All right, let's take a look. Golden brown, definitely cooked more. I think these are done this time. All right, let's just give these the tester test. I don't know. All right, let's see. Okay, yeah, I feel a lot better about these. I probably slightly overcooked them, but you know, better safe than sick, right? And now I'm just going to pop them. Now I'm going to loosen them. Wow, as much butter as I put on here, I thought these would pop out very easily. I was wrong. Okay. All right, that came out a little messy. Tasty, but messy. Maybe a knife would work better. I'm not one to do the greasing and flouring before doing the baking. I like to use butter or oil, pour it in there. Typically things come out very, very easily. These are not. I buttered the dish, and I was very, very liberal with the amount of butter I put in. And these bad boys are sticking like crazy. This one probably came out the best. Yeah. Use a knife to run around the edge, and I'm using a fork to lift them out. I'm leaving bits and pieces behind. They taste fantastic. They look a mess. Typically, I don't have this much difficulty with things sticking though. I don't know why today is an issue, other than everything has been an issue today. Today has just been one of those days. You know, the taste is going to be fantastic though. Is going to be absolutely fantastic. So here they are in all their sausagey, cheesy glory. Let's give this a taste. You know, I was afraid I had overcooked it and dried it out, but I did not. It is nice and moist inside. You see lots of cheese. So let's see. If you like sausage, cheese, and green chilies, you're going to love these muffins. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure and give it a thumbs up. If you've not already subscribed, please do so. And to make sure you know every time I upload a video to YouTube, hit that little notification bell down there. Thanks for joining me today. God bless.